in detail.
I'm Milton Nyabanga. The leader of a political party built Zimbabwe, Dr. MANYIKA, says people must vote for candidates who have the capacity to serve them, not to vote for candidates because they belong to the same political party. In an interview with Star FM News, Dr. MANYIKA said people have a tendency of choosing candidates who belong to their political parties, but who may not be able to deliver on their mandates.
You have to know who you are voting for. So in your community, you have to really think hard about the person that you're electing as a councillor and make sure that this is somebody that you can also hold accountable. One of the things that is really sad a lot of times in African politics is that the voter doesn't know that they not only have the right to elect leaders, but they also have the right to recall leaders. And, it's not just a question of, we voted for this person and then we're going to wait for 5 years for that person to show up and only then can we remove them. But if you elect someone who is a councillor and, you don't see that councillor for 2-3 months in your community, then as citizens, you must exercise the right to recall. And, you can only do that if you're voting for people rather than parties. And we are committed to educating our electorate so that they understand just how dangerous it is to vote for the wrong people simply because you voted for a party.